Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming both accounts and the release details. This avoids delays. Log into Distrokid and find the release page, then copy the SRC and exact track title. Next, open YouTube Studio and head to monetization or content owner tools depending on your access. Once done, make sure channel ownership and email addresses match between services because mismatched accounts block the link. Start the link action now. In Distrokid, choose YouTube Music Monetization and follow the prompt to connect accounts. You will be asked to authorize Distrokid to access your Google/YouTube account. Accept the permissions for content management so ownership can be verified. Then map each release track to the corresponding YouTube asset by matching SRC and track title because automatic matching reduces manual fixes. Make deliberate choices on claiming, monetize for earnings, block if unauthorized, or track only for analytics. After mapping, review split percentages and rights holders in Distrokid. Finalize and submit the claim so YouTube starts processing the link. You finish by verifying the claim status in both platforms. Allow 24 to 72 hours for processing and metadata syncing. If the release shows as unmatched, recheck SRC, exact punctuation and titles, and that the Distrokid account email matches the YouTube channel owner. Small differences cause failures. If problems persist, try a manual claim inside YouTube Content ID tools or reauthorize the connection in Distrokid. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache, retry authorization, and then contact Distrokid support with screenshots if linking still fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.